The gravitational pull. Everything is pulled downwards towards the earth. The force with which two objects attract each other is called force of gravitation. The force of gravitation acts even if the two objects are not connected to each other. Centripetal force. The force due to which the body moves along the circular path acting towards the center of the earth is called centripetal force. The gravitational force between the sun and the earth keeps the earth in uniform circular motion around the sun. This is the centripetal force which acts between the earth and sun. Universal law of gravitation. Everybody in the universe attracts every other body with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Force is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance of separation between the two objects, where g is the universal gravitational constant and the SI unit is Newton. Universal law of gravitation is also known as Newton's law of gravitation. Unit and value of gravitational constant. By arranging the expression for force of gravitation we have G is equal to F into R square upon M1 into M2. SI unit is Newton meter square per kilogram square or Newton meter square per kg square. The gravitational constant G is equal to the force of gravitation which exists between the two bodies of unit masses kept at a distance from each other. The value of universal gravitational constant is G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Importance of universal law of gravitation. The force binds the earth, the motion of the moon around the sun, and the tides due to the moon and the sun. Assessment. Before proceeding further, let us know how much you have learned. Click true or false. Very good. Try again. Very good. Free fall. Our earth attracts all the objects which are near its surface so that when a body is dropped from the roof of a house, it falls down to the earth. The acceleration produced in the freely falling bodies is the same for all the bodies and it does not depend upon the mass of the falling body. Acceleration due to gravity. The uniform acceleration produced in a freely falling body is due to the gravitational pull of the earth is called as acceleration due to gravity. The value of acceleration due to the gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, which is equal to m into g, equation 1. Force due to gravitation. F is equal to m into mg upon r square, equation 2, where m is the mass of the earth and r is the distance between object and the earth. From equation 1 and 2, m into g is equal to m into mg upon r square. G is equal to gm upon r square. The value of G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square.